In this video, we're gonna go through overview of this amazing app called Dream by WOMBO. This app helps you to create high quality AI artworks. And I think this is the top app in this category, in this niche, where literally just by typing some keywords, some prompts, and choosing your art style, you can generate amazing looking images. And also you can input your own image, just like a source of for this AI model to decide which image to generate. This app is also relatively fast, so you can get image generated in seconds. Sometimes it takes like 30 plus seconds, but yeah, it's amazing app. So how does it work? Just type in whatever you want to create, like space station, city sunset, forest, or anything else. And then pick an art style. So this is also a required option. So you need to pick an art style, whether you're looking for vibrant, colorful painting or something darker. WOMBO Dream has you covered. There is also an option to choose no art style at all, and I will show in this video how to do it. And then you can generate your painting. Also, as I just said, instead of typing keywords, you can also just add some source image. So for example, if you understand pretty clearly which image you want to generate, you can take a photo like you want to create an image of flower and you have that exact flower. You can take a photo and then give it as a source to this AI model, and you will have new image generated, but it will be completely different. So WOMBO is a Canadian artificial intelligence company, and they also had another viral app which was called WOMBO.ai, which also went viral. And maybe you have seen there were like these moving GIFs dancing to like viral songs. So the idea of WOMBO AI app is that you can upload your own selfie, and then this selfie will start moving to some and dancing to some songs. But now this is a new project from them, and it's developing super quickly. Here's how it looks like. You can easily create your account just by signing up. I think just with your email. I don't remember if you can sign up with some social media, or I think just with your email. So super easy, there shouldn't be issues. But this is how it looks like on the home feed. So recently they added this social element update where you can see cool AI artwork showcased, similar to Instagram feed. Because I used this app already like few months ago in December or November, as I remember, and it wasn't that viral. It went in top 100 apps in US for a brief period, and then it kind of disappeared. But now, I don't know for which reason, after this update, when this app started to become more similar to some Instagram and some social media elements, after this update, this app just went viral. It was showcased on TikTok, like hundreds of millions of views. Everyone wants to figure out how it works. So that's basically an overview. And yeah, now you can see like people with different profiles posting results of their work, but this is just the app right now is selecting this. You can't follow someone, you can't add friends, you can't message anyone. But let's go to the main part, what you're curious about, how to create this artwork with the app. So this is how it looks like. Just tap on the plus icon in the bottom, and then you can type anything. Here are some like example prompts, and then you can select an art style. So there are like synthwave, steampunk, give fantasy art, HD, mystical etching, moonwalker provenance, and then, as I said, you can select with no style if you want, because this app it's still it's using AI, and imagine how complicated that is to calculate exact image. So if you say something like very specific, like dog and 3 cats, like don't expect this image to create like a photography quality image where you can see precise details. So it's not that it will just create some very vague like a landscape-ish image. So let's just select this and see how it works. Also, another thing you need to know that while this app is #1 in the top charts, you can see this error right now. Failed to generate art, please try again later. And this annoys a lot of users, but this is what it is at this moment because the app is in top charts and I went to their Discord. It's a known bug that their server is not prepared for influx of users. Hundreds of users trying this app right now. Maybe if you're watching this video later, this issue will be fixed. Maybe there is a new app update, or you can just try to use this app either like early in the morning or late at night when there are like less users online. Also, maybe then the time for processing will be faster. So for some images, it takes a lot of time to create. For other, it takes less time. So you can also experiment. Try a different prompt, try a different art style, and then it will take less time. So let's see. Also, another thing to add, as you can see, I'm not required to pay or upgrade. There is no any pop-up. So this app at this moment is just like completely free. So enjoy it while it lasts, because I don't know, developers will need to buy their coffee and pay salaries or something. So maybe there will be some kind of monetization model, either some ads or some subscription, but I'm not sure. This is just my thoughts. Anyways, okay, so this doesn't work. Let's try creating with some art style. So as you can see, yeah, this app is glitchy at this moment. Unfortunately, I'm just recording this as it is. A lot of people want to try this magic with AI images, and it's not really working that smoothly yet. But there you have it. I entered like a tall bird, and with this specific style you can see how image is being generated in a live mode. Also, some users were asked, what if I don't like final image but I like some images which were generated in the process? Can I have that? At this moment you can only like screenshot that, but there is no way to save these images. So here you have it, your final image. You can decide to show or not show prompt in artwork. Then you can, if you want, tap generate again in the bottom. In the top right, you can download as original, download font background. So that's, you can set up this image as your font background. You can also buy print in the top right. You'll be redirected to Shopify store and you can print that for a few dozens dollars, and this will be delivered to your house. But then I just published it, and this is my feed. So this is my account where I have all the images I generated, and then from here I can delete them. I can share them on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. Here's my account. I can add profile picture. Here's my username, email. You can connect with them on Twitter, Discord, Instagram. Yeah, so it's kind of like social media, but it's still not complete yet. I can't follow anyone, nobody can follow me. I can't message, or I can't add bio or like some links to my YouTube or social media. So that's very basic. Maybe all these features are coming in the future. And then, okay, let's try to add input image. So this is also super interesting feature, because as you have seen, I just entered like a search prompt. By the way, you can add multiple prompts just by typing something like this. So I want to have bird in forest. So that's what I've seen people are doing. Yeah, so something like that you can do if you want to have multiple aspects. But you can also select image. There are suggested images, and there are images from your camera roll. I can crop that photo, I can adjust it, I can rotate it, I can make it look nice, and then I can adjust influence. If it's a minor influence, my input image has little effect. Default influence image has some effect, and then major influence input image has a large effect. So that's that, and then I can just tap lamp. For example, I can select still a style, so it's required to create a style, and still you need to enter some prompt so the algorithm can understand what you're looking for. And then in this case, the image is generated pretty quickly. So as you can see, it just shows creating. And basically your lamp is being generated. So there you have it. I think it's pretty cool. So it looks like some Van Gogh, I don't know, picture from early 20th century, some impressionist style. Yeah, and then you can just share and save it. Like a lot of questions here are, can you can you generate NFTs, or can you generate this art and sell it? So like you can read about that in detail on Discord channel, on their Discord channel. Like as they say right now, you can always refer to their Discord. It is possible to sell it and sell it as NFTs, mint it, but you always need to refer that it's generated by WOMBO. And if someone wants to buy it, or like algorithm created something insanely cool, then you can obviously, yeah, just generate that. If you're not happy, you can always tap generate again. So this is also handy, as I'm using this app a lot these days. So yeah, this is just like a nice app to play, to show off to your friends. Also, it can be quite relaxing. You can use it for various graphic purposes. I don't know what your project is. Maybe you need some visuals and all of that. So try out this app, have fun. Hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful for you, please consider doing a super thanks below this video. Visit my blog, mrhack.io, my TikTok. Thank you so much for enjoying.